What is TED's Woodworking? This is a guide that outlines steps involved to make woodwork projects successfully. The course teaches learners skills that are needed to become a professional woodworker. It has 16,000 woodworking plans to provide you an opportunity to come up with multiple designs. The program has a step-by-step approach to get you through the woodworking process. Additionally, there are several diagrams, videos, and other illustrations that guide project makers. You'll adequately gain all the essential skills required for every project if you keenly follow everything to detail. TED's Woodworking program is a collection of several woodworking plans. It also lists essential tools you require to create woodwork projects for home, business, office, or any other environment they'll fit. This is a valid and most detailed practical woodworking course you'll find in the market. TED's is a great resource to help you enjoy creating your projects from the comfort of your home. It's downloadable in any digital device, and you can read it anywhere, anytime, and make later implementation. Who is behind the TED's Woodworking course? Ted McGrath is the person behind the visionary, TED's Woodworking Plan. He is a teacher, trainer, author, and certified master woodworker based in Slate, Iowa. With many years of experience in woodworking, TED decided to put together an amazing collection of woodworking plans to help people who need to advance in woodworking. TED's Woodworking piece is an evidence of the expertise TED has on woodworking subject. He spent over 2.5 decades preparing collections that he has put down on paper to benefit woodwork enthusiasts all over the world. He spent time publishing several articles and books about woodworking. He later realized all these resources gave students difficulties to find multiple and detailed plans for their woodworking projects. This was when he made mind to come up with a comprehensive and easy-to-follow woodworking guide, TED Woodworking. How does TED's Woodworking work? TED's woodworking plans are detailed from A to Z. This helps in completing TED's woodworking projects easily and fast. There are different woodworking plans in different categories. It's upon you to read through the guide and pick the ones that excite you. All woodworking plans are clearly illustrated. You will understand building a particular structure even before you decide to do it practically. The guide provides details of perfect cutting and suitable materials for every project. You won't waste your time walking from hardware to the other or waste money gathering the wrong materials for a particular project. This is an easy-to-use guide. It's a program for every person regardless of the level of skills you have in woodworking. The designs range from simple options to detailed ones. Whichever way you plan to use this program, you are assured of better results at the end. TED's Woodworking Plans are an excellent resource and instrument to become a good woodworker. It serves the purpose of an excellent companion to every person who needs to venture into woodworking. Who can benefit from TED's program? This is an ideal guide to individuals who desire to venture into woodworking. If you intend to build your furniture and other home structures, TED's Woodworking is the program to consider. The program provides a variety of options you can make a selection from. TED's Woodworking program is also ideal for people who intend to add more furniture to an already occupied space. The guide provides you best ideas about the best additions you should consider. This is also a guide for those who have a lot of unused wood in their backyards. You can also have left wood from a previously completed project or some broken furniture pieces you might need to make them into use. TED's program teaches how to make furniture and other structures from refurbished or recycled wooden parts. The plans are also crucial to instructors who need to add more knowledge to the students they teach about woodworking. The guide has several plans and resources to help woodworking students improve their skills and knowledge. This is a diversified program for most people, even to those who have no experience in woodworking. You can complete constructions from the comfort of your home. TED's Woodworking provides decent plan sets worth having in your inventory. Conclusion. TED's Woodworking book is a must-have resource if you need to advance your woodworking skills. The resource is detailed comprehensively to help you become a professional woodworker. It's also an easy-to-follow program that even non-professionals can easily understand. TED's Woodworking book is available online. It's you to subscribe and have lifetime access into it.